In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a promo code on Uber Eats. Ordering food online has never been easier, and with Uber Eats, you can have your favorite meals delivered right to your doorstep. Whether you're a new user or someone who's been using Uber Eats for a while, taking advantage of promotional codes can help you save money and enjoy your meals even more. Let's walk through how to effortlessly apply a promo code to your next Uber Eats order. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Uber Eats website. Open your web browser and type in www.ubereats.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have Uber Eats yet, you'll need to create an account by providing some personal details. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start. Now it's time to choose your order. Browse through the wide variety of restaurants available in your area. Uber Eats makes it easy to select your desired cuisine with categories like Italian, Mexican, or Chinese, or you can simply type the name of a specific restaurant into the search bar. Once you've settled on your meal, simply add your desired items to your cart by clicking on the dishes that appeal to you the most. With your cart full of delicious meals, the next step is to click on the cart icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. This will take you to your order summary page where you can review your selections one last time before proceeding. Once you've thoroughly checked your order, click on Go to Checkout. This button is prominently displayed on the order summary page. This action will take you to the payment page. Here's where all the magic happens. Now you're on the payment page and it's time to apply your promo code. Look for the option to enter a promo code. Typically, it's a field that says Add Promo Code. Type or paste your promo code into this field carefully, ensuring no extra spaces are included. Once entered, click Apply, and if the code is valid and applicable to your order, you'll see the discount reflected in your total amount immediately. With the promo code successfully applied, you can now proceed to make the payment. Uber Eats allows you to choose from various payment methods such as credit card, debit card, or even digital wallets. Select your preferred payment option, fill in the required details, and finalize the transaction. And there you have it. Your order is now complete and your delicious meal will be on its way to you shortly. By mastering the art of applying promo codes on Uber Eats, you not only save money on your favorite foods but also enhance your online ordering experience. Enjoy your meal.